Hi, I'm Peter Licourinos, and having worked in property for over 20 years, I'm absolutely delighted to have teamed up with Jackie Reeves and Mark Lloyd of Property Mastery Academy.
Hi, I'm Mark Lloyd, and I want to invite you personally to one of our introductory discovery days where we will introduce you to our team and the program, the mentorship program that we offer, which is unique in the marketplace. It gives you an opportunity to get to understand us, how we operate, how we can help you progress your property journey.
It's not just about the knowledge, it's about taking action too, a passion of all of ours, and we'll help you go to market and actually find, package and buy the best property deals out there. For further information, click on the link below, and we hope to see you at one of our discovery days soon.